Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican quinoa, easy method. Start by rinsing 1 cup quinoa and toasting it lightly in a dry skillet. Add 2 cups vegetable broth, bring to a boil, then reduce to low and simmer for 15 minutes until liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and let rest 5 minutes. This simple method gives fluffy quinoa with great texture and bright flavor. Warm a skillet and sauté half a cup diced onion and 2 cloves minced garlic in 1 tablespoon olive oil until translucent. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste and cook a minute to caramelize it slightly. Add 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon chili powder, then toss the toasted quinoa into the pan to coat in the spices. This builds a rich, layered base that makes the dish feel homemade and satisfying. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with cooking time because good habits compound like great flavors. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick it up if it speaks to you. Now let's get back to the video. Once the quinoa is cooked and rested, fold in 1 cup drained black beans and 3/4 cup corn for contrast and nutrition. Add a ½ cup diced tomato if you like freshness, then stir through a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and the juice of 1 lime to lift the dish. Garnish with sliced avocado or crumbled cottage cheese for creaminess and a sprinkle of extra cilantro for a lively finish everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.